In Revit 2021, Dynamo for Revit 2.5 is included in the Revit installation. In Dynamo 2.5, you will find a host of new capabilities. For example, Dynamo now finds required packages in the refreshed Workspace References viewer and automatically notifies you if any are missing. The viewer lists the packages used in your graph along with their version and status. In the Package Manager UI, the Downvote button has been removed to reduce confusion and promote positive reinforcement. The Filter icon has been changed to Filter by Text to improve discoverability. 10 new Dynamo Revit nodes have been added to support the most commonly requested conditions for geometry joining, pinning, unpinning, and hosting of Revit elements. Significant performance improvements have been made, particularly for large graphs that make changes to a Revit model. Runtimes have been reduced by up to 99.9%. These and many other enhancements will improve computational design workflows in Revit 2021.